In today's video, I'm going to show you how to publish and test your card website so you can be confident everything is working perfectly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to cardco.com. Before publishing, make sure you're completely satisfied with your website's design and functionality. Card offers a user-friendly interface, allowing you to create impressive sites even without coding skills. Once your site looks exactly how you want it, locate the Publish button in the card editor and click it. You'll be prompted to choose between a free card subdomain or a custom domain. If this is a personal project or a test site, a free subdomain works fine. For a more professional appearance and branding consistency, a custom domain is recommended. After publishing, it's crucial to test your site thoroughly. Start by checking all links to ensure they direct visitors correctly. Verify that images display properly and that your content is free of typos or errors. A polished presentation enhances credibility and user experience. Don't forget to test your site on mobile devices, as a large portion of web traffic comes from smartphones and tablets. Make sure your website looks great and functions smoothly across all screen sizes. Following these steps ensures your card website not only looks appealing, but also works reliably for every visitor. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.